Hi everyone! Colorful Story Mind is bringing another workshop, Story Crafting through Madhubani Art, exploring the theme of gender. Date is 6th October 2024 and day is Sunday. Time 3 pm. Online Google Meet. Age group for all adults, any profession or of any college. Pay just 120 rupees through any app Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. A short intro about the facilitator. I'm a certified storyteller from Kathalaya by Geeta Ramanujan, British Council Eltrip awardee, author, educator, illustrator and founder of Colorful Story Mind. Next slide will tell you what are the things to be brought. So quickly join through the Google form, and things that you require to bring are two A4 size sheet or any drawing sheet, colored pencil, crayons, pen, fevicol, thread, and an exciting and easy task. Think of a story around gender with a solution. Your story can be based on your experience or something you have seen in movies, radios, podcasts, social media, or around you. You can choose any of the following topics: female, male, LGBTQ, or any other story that you desire to share around gender. Bye bye. Do join and see you soon.